Have you ever walked into someone's home after they baked a batch of cookies or maybe a loaf of bread? I mean, that says home like almost nothing else, doesn't it? Makes you feel so great. It reminds you of when you were young or who knows what. It's just that wonderful feeling of home. Well, we don't often bake bread and cookies every day, but we do clean most every day, at least some portion of our home. And what better way to make it smell warm and wonderful is with Young Living's household cleaner called Thieves. It's essential oil infused and it's safe, no chemicals. It's safe for your family, your pets, and it's a great cleaner. It's highly concentrated, so you just need a little bit. I take a bottle like this, a squirt bottle, and I put about that much water and then a little bit of Thieves, and I clean all my countertops. I can clean my stainless steel. I can clean bathrooms. I can dust with it. I can clean up cat throw up because on the carpet, that's happened, and it's great for all that stuff. And if you want to clean windows and have a great cleaner for that, you can add a little of the essential oil called Citrus Fresh blend and essential oil blend, and you can use it. It's so great. The smell is so fabulous that you can put it as a perfume. You can put a little drop in some water for a wonderful drink, and you could cook with it also. The Vitality Citrus Fresh. You could also put it in your Thieves, a capful of Thieves, 5 drops of the essential oil, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and 3 cups of water, and you have a fabulous window cleaner. All of this to say, you can clean your house and leave it smelling inviting and wonderful, not that chemical smell that most every other really good cleaner leaves. So try it out and see if I'm not right. See if you won't agree. Thieves by Young Living.